If you're watching this video and you haven't seen part 1, I highly recommend that you go back and do that. Otherwise, it would be a story half told. However, I can still give a small recap. So after the whole pandemic situation, schools and colleges were shut down, offices closed, people had no option but to stay inside. So, boys and girls, welcome to phase 1, containment. So I started working from home and realized the only way to kill time was to face it. FaceTime. So as soon as they resumed domestic flights, I took a flight back home and left everything else behind.
I feel a bit of desperation. My mind's flooded with fascination. Spending most of my time alone, but I can't do this on my own. I may never sleep, that's fine. I don't have a lot of time. I can't slow down.
Hi, my name is Utkarsh. It is currently July of 2020 and I've been watching a lot of YouTube lately, a lot of Indian vloggers, these ones in particular. They're good at what they do. I understand everybody has a different style. When I am looking for video logs on YouTube, I'm looking for something different. And there's this quote which says, why not be the change that you want to see? So I am thinking, why not create my own YouTube channel and start making videos there. Played basketball for the first time, killed it. Bought a new phone, made a camera review video, killed it. Stood in slow motion, killed it. Celebrated Diwali, killed it. Did not take my mask off at any point of time, killed it. Made a new friend, killed it. Played pool, did not kill that one. So somewhere around December, we decided to go back to Dehradun. Dehradun is my hometown. Going back to Dehradun meant I could meet my cousins, hang out more often, and get back to life. So I call this phase, get shit together.
I try to keep myself in line, but I'm never alright when I take a step outside. I try to feel like I'm alive, but I'm never alright when I lose myself inside. I run away to believe that I won't have to try and face everything in my life tonight. What's your plan when you see your new life walk by? Would you give your all and be left behind?
This one fine morning when we woke up, there was definitely something different. We could see. Guess we just received the first snowfall for this winter. So, had no choice but to go there.
Got me wasted.
So yeah, that is how my 2020 went. Guess it wasn't so bad after all.